Hey Gabs, just woken up, now gonna do some stuff on the farm. Say hello to the girls. Hey Gabs, just been doing some refencing for Sadie's squads. Gigi's waiting for me to put the battery on, but this is the moment of truth, and sorry for taking so long. Still out, mending all the fields. It's raining, I don't know if you can tell. Rufus is now living at Gigi's house and she's staying nice and warm under her lamp. Lola is excited to have Rufus home with her. Hey Gabs, we are going home soon, so we're just having a quick coffee before we go. At the airport now, we need to go to gate 11.